Hello and welcome to Bling. My name is Joanna and I'm going to show you my luxury digital boutique homepage of Bling. This is a luxury digital boutique designed to provide a high-end artisanal shopping experience. Starting on our homepage, this you'll notice is our arch motif and it's used for the images, and this is a deliberate design choice to break the standard web grid and frame our jewelry as art. I've used locomotive scroll here to give the page a weighted premium scrolling feel. And you can even sign up with your email address and stay in touch with us. Moving on to the shop page, here we have a dynamic category system. By clicking any of these tabs, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings, um, this product grid updates instantly. This is handled via JavaScript to ensure a seamless experience without page reloads. A key feature here is the currency toggle. Using a live API, I can switch from the code uh, from the AED to USD in no time and making the store globally accessible. So when I select a piece, like for example, when I select this piece right here, you'll notice that there is a hover zoom effect on the imagery to inspect the craftsmanship. And when I when I click on add to cart, there is a button feedback and it confirms the action immediately. So now when I click on the card, all of my selections have been preserved automatically. And if I hit checkout, a confirm and pay pop-up screen appears to pay for the item that you have selected, and I can toggle between cash on delivery or card. And here I'm just gonna add in my details. I've already done that, and since I don't have a card, I'm gonna click on this, and that is how I can place a successful transaction with Bling. And that is it for our walkthrough. And now it is time for the technical description. So Bling is built using a JavaScript architecture to ensure maximum performance and zero dependency overhead. I chose not to use frameworks like React or MongoDB to demonstrate a deep understanding of data-driven models, manipulation, and browser APIs. So this website uses a data-driven model. All product information is stored in a centralized object, JavaScript object array. I'll be showing that soon. To handle different persistence across data, uh, across different HTML pages, I utilize the web storage API called local storage. Uh, yes, here. And this allows me to serialize the shopping cart into JSON strings, ensuring that the user state is maintained even if they refresh the browser or navigate away from the shop. I integrated the exchange rate API as well, and this logic uses an async/await pattern to prevent render blocking. I also implemented a sanitization layer in the cart logic because prices are stored as strings with currency symbols, and using regular expressions to strip non-numeric characters before performing floating point math for the final total. The layout engine uses a combination of CSS grid and Flexbox for product arrays and for the navigation and UI components. To maintain this luxury aesthetic, I utilized custom CSS properties for the color palette and implemented high Z index model logic for the checkout flow, ensuring it sits outside the standard document flow for a focused user experience. And this is the index style CSS, and I had to use a different CSS for it because the index page is on its own and the rest of the pages are connected together. So as you can see, there is a, like, I have divided the sets of jewelry into its own folder, and here is the product HTML, shop HTML, and product HTML, oh, and card HTML. And I will be adding the comments in later. So for now, that is the end of our technical description and walkthrough. Thank you so much, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it, and please continue to support Bling. Thank you and have a good day.